Do you need a quick and easy holiday craft for your class? These holiday wreaths are super easy, super quick, and super affordable. Watch my video and I'll show you how to make them. All you need is an old puzzle, glitter spray, green and red spray paint, bow tie pasta. These are coasters, but you can use cardboard circles, a Sharpie, string, ribbon, something like this, pictures of the kids in your class, and glue. To get started, we need to head to the garage. This is where we'll do the spray painting. First, we'll spread out the puzzle pieces and coasters to be spray painted green. Then you'll do the same thing with the bow tie pasta. Spread them out and spray paint them red. After you spray paint those three things, they'll look something like this. After this was 75% dry, I sprayed a clear layer of the glitter paint. I did this to give my puzzle pieces a shiny appearance, but this step is completely optional, so it's okay if you don't want to do that. In the meantime, we can cut the school pictures into circles. Don't worry if they're not perfect. The edges will be covered by the puzzle pieces around the wreath, so it doesn't matter. Also, we can cut the string or ribbon that you have into pieces. I didn't measure them, but I made sure they're at least long enough to tie into a loop. The coasters will dry pretty quick, so you can grab those and begin cutting a small hole in each one. I use a hole punch, but if you don't have one, you can use a pen or something sharp to make a hole in it. Then I put the string through it and tied it. This makes our puzzle wreath into an ornament. I double knotted it so it wouldn't come undone and trim the excess. Next, I wrote their names on the back. As teachers, we know this is super important for keepsake reasons and so they don't get them confused in the classroom. Then, I glued their pictures on the wreath. If your students are older, feel free to have them do this in this step, but in my case, I have second graders, so I did this for them. And I had luck with a glue stick for this step, which made this extra quick and easy. But if you're a fun teacher, you can use liquid glue or a hot glue gun. Anything like that will work. Now that the prep is done, I'm going to show you the part the kids can do. So I have the dry red bow ties and the green puzzle pieces. All I do is take a little bit of hot glue and place a handful of the puzzle pieces around the circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, which is good because that makes them all so unique and so cute. You may want your kids to use a little bit of liquid glue, put on a popsicle stick, and then apply it to the wreath. That way you don't need to help them with the glue gun. Don't worry if there are gaps in the wreath. We'll put a second layer of puzzle pieces on the wreath to fill in the gaps and give it a textured appearance. The last step is to hot glue the bow tie on the wreath. I think it looks great at the bottom of the wreath, but if the kids have a preference, just let them run with it. And that's it, your wreaths are already done. If you're feeling creative, you can let them add other decorations like glitter or pom-poms or anything you like. The kids will love creating this. They're super cute and the kids will keep them forever. My sister's 25 and she still has one from preschool. Let me know if you tried out this project and if you have any suggestions for improvement. See you next time.